What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to part 3 of our motor rebuild series. Today we're going to be stripping the motor off of one of my bikes, throwing our freshly built engine onto the bike, and we'll be taking it on a test ride. Let's do it. Alright, this is my beauty queen right here. And before we tear the motor off, show you guys, she's good. She runs. Come on, kick Betty. And while this engine's off, I will be rebuilding the top end on it as well. So let's start stripping this thing apart and get into it. Alright guys, we got it all hooked up. I didn't worry about putting the pegs or the front brace on or the down tube cover or anything like that. Just doing some heat cycles on it, and the motor's going to come back off anyway. So the one that was on it, I'm going to have to rebuild the top end because it's smoking a little bit, and I'll have to put that one back on here to do the break-in procedure on that as well. So let's see if this thing fires up. I got the fuel on. See what happens. Do a heat cycle or two and not ride it. Just let the engine get up to temperature, and we'll do that about 2 or 3 times, and then we'll take it on out for a test ride and see how everything goes. Make sure it shifts gears like it should, and that'll be it. So I'll touch base with you guys whenever we go for that test ride. right, y'all, well, that's a wrap. So nice to be able to tear an engine all the way down, build it back up, and take it down the road. It's an awesome feeling. I love doing it. So I did a few heat cycles on the engine off of camera, but that was the actual first time I took it down the road. So shift's good, runs good. That's what we was aiming for. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Be sure to subscribe below. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.